In this video tutorial you will see how to replace the side light or parking light bulb on Volkswagen Passat B6 in 5 easy steps. 1. Lift the hood and remove the rubber cover from the parking light bulb. There is no need to disassemble the headlight to replace the parking light bulb. I did this to better see and understand what you have to do behind the headlight. 2. Remove the bulb by pressing the clips from the sides of the bulb holder. 3. Remove the light bulb and replace it with a new one. Volkswagen Passat B6 uses a VW parking light bulb that you can find it below in the video description. Four. Reinstall the bulb back in the headlight. Five. Put the rubber cover back in place. If you can't remove it following these steps, there's another easy way to remove the parking light bulb. Remove those 2 Torx T25 screws from the wheel arch liner, then move the wheel arch liner back and put your hand inside to remove the bulb. If you have any suggestions about new videos, you can write us below in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.